What you're looking at right now is a complete, responsive, professional website created entirely with AI. No coding, no design skills, no templates. And in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build a website like this using Hostinger's AI Website Builder. Today, we're going to build a full website from scratch using Hostinger AI Website Builder. We'll start from zero, generate the entire site with AI, customize it, connect a domain, and publish it with one click. Building a website the traditional way can take hours. Templates, design tweaks, coding, layout balancing. It's overwhelming for most beginners. But with AI Website Builder, everything changes. You give it a simple idea, and the AI creates a complete design, a clean layout, matching colors, placeholder text, professional sections, all fully editable inside the builder. Before we start, here's the website we'll be creating today. Let's begin by setting up your Hostinger account. To make this as easy as possible, I left a special link in the description. I always keep that link updated with the best deals, and it usually unlocks a bigger discount than what you'd get if you visit Hostinger directly. So make sure you use it before choosing your plan. Once you open the page, you'll see two main options, the premium plan and the business plan. Both are very affordable compared to other hosting platforms, and the great thing is, you still get a lot of resources. A free domain for your first year, fast hosting, and the ability to build multiple websites. The price difference between premium and business is pretty small. So if you want all AI features unlocked, or if you're planning to build an online store, I definitely recommend going with the business plan. But the premium plan is perfectly fine to get started, and you can upgrade anytime later with a single click. Next, choose your subscription length. Just like with most hosting providers, the longer the term, the more you save overall. And again, make sure the discount from the link is applied at checkout. Otherwise, you might pay more than you should.
Now in my case, I'm choosing the 24-month option because the total comes out to around $78, which is a really good deal for 2 full years of hosting and the AI Builder. Once you've selected your term, click the Continue button. If Hostinger doesn't recognize an existing account, it will ask you to create one. You can sign up with your email or simply continue with your Google account. After that, fill in your basic details, your first name, last name, country, and address. Then add your city, state, and zip code, and click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the payment page. I'm paying with a card, so I'll enter my cardholder name and card details, then hit Submit Payment. Once the payment goes through, Hostinger will automatically create your account and activate your plan. Once your plan is active and your account is ready, we can start building the website. After logging in, head to the Websites tab, click the big purple button, select Hostinger Website Builder. When you open the Hostinger Website Builder, the first screen you'll see is very simple. It only asks for two things, your brand name and a short description of what your website is about. But before we fill anything in, let me show you one useful option. Right below the form, there's a button called Pre-Made Templates. If you click it, Hostinger will show you a huge library of designer-made templates organized into categories like business, portfolio, e-commerce, technology, services, restaurants, travel, and a lot more. These templates are actually really good, and if you're someone who prefers starting from an existing layout, you can pick any of these and customize it. But for this tutorial, I want to create a website completely from scratch using the AI Builder, so I'll go back to the first screen where it asks for the brand name and description. For the brand name, I'm going to enter Peak Motion Fitness. This is just an example, but it fits a niche that's very popular and gets a lot of search traffic: online fitness coaching. Now, let's write the description, because this is what the AI uses to shape the entire website. Here's a strong example you can use or adapt for your own project. I help busy professionals lose weight at home with 20-minute workouts. Create a clean, modern landing page for an online fitness coach with a bold hero section, a clear call to action, a program section, transformation testimonials, a pricing section, FAQ, and a contact form. The style should feel confident, friendly, and professional. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. Just explain who you help, what you offer, and which sections you want on the page. Then click Create a Website. And in just a few seconds, the AI will generate a fully designed website based on the description we provided. Once the AI generates your website, the first thing you'll see is a color palette selector.
Hostinger gives you several preset palettes to choose from, and they instantly change the entire look and feel of your website. Pick the one that fits your brand, and then click Continue. After that, you're taken straight into the main editor. And this is where you can customize literally everything on the page. Every element you see is editable. For example, if you want to change the headline, just click on it and start typing. You can adjust the size, alignment, or even move the entire section using the drag and drop controls at the top. If you want to replace an image, simply click on it. You can upload your own picture, choose one from Hostinger's built-in library, or use the AI image generator to create a completely new image instantly. On the left side, you also have access to the full toolkit: elements, pages, styles, AI tools, SEO settings, and more. And at the bottom of the page, you can add new sections or remove any section you don't need. Everything is visual and extremely easy to modify. No coding required. You just drag, drop, edit, and watch your site update in real time. Once you're happy with the layout and content, we can move on to the final step: preparing the site to go live. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Preview to see how your website looks in real time. Start by checking the desktop version, then switch to the mobile view to make sure everything is perfectly responsive. Look around the page. Make sure the text is readable. Buttons look clean. Images load properly. Sections are aligned. When everything looks good, go to Settings, Domains. If you already have a Hostinger domain, you can connect it instantly with just one click. Or you can choose a completely new domain from Hostinger's domain list. Publish with one click. When everything is ready, it's time to go live. Just click the Publish button at the top right corner. In a few seconds, Hostinger will put your entire website online. No manual setup, no file uploads, no WordPress installation, no FTP. It's instantly live. Your website opens in a brand new tab, fully functional and ready for visitors. Before you go, here are a few quick tips to make your website look even better. Use a strong, clear headline in your hero section. It's the first thing people read. Keep your call to action simple, like "Get started" or "Learn more." Avoid long paragraphs. Short, clean text blocks work best. Add testimonials or reviews if you have any. They instantly build trust. And always check your design on mobile first, since most visitors will be coming from their phones. And if you're ready to try Hostinger yourself, the discounted link is down below. It will automatically apply the best offer for you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tools and website tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you want a full step-by-step guide on building an online store or a portfolio using the same builder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.